Hey everybody, it's a Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make my version of Zuppa Toscana in the Instant Pot. Let's do it. My Instant Pot is reading hot, so I'm going to pour in my Italian sausage. Chop it up. I'm going to add just a little bit of grapeseed oil. Now I'm going to put in my crushed red pepper. The Italian sausage is now cooked, so I'm going to take it out of the pan. Now I'm going to put my onions in the pot, my turkey bacon, and garlic. I'm going to let that cook. There wasn't very much grease in the Italian sausage, so I've lined my bowl with paper towels to absorb any grease that there is. I've added 10 cups of water to my Instant Pot and 6 ounces of corn, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 5 crushed chicken bouillon cubes. We're gonna let that heat up a little bit, stir it together. Now I'm going to add the diced potatoes. And I have about 5 ounces of fresh organic kale. I am not going to mix that around, we just want it to sit right on top. I've turned my Instant Pot off. Now I'm putting it on high for 9 minutes. Make sure your venting valve is on sealed, and now we're gonna let it do its thing. Our Instant Pot has cooked, and now we're gonna do a quick release. The silver button has dropped down, so I'm gonna open up our Instant Pot. Now I'm gonna add the heavy whipping cream. I'm going to add the cooked Italian sausage. See how the paper towel absorbed the grease? Let that heat up just a little bit, and then we'll come back and do a taste test. That is so good. That's how easy it is to make Zuppa Toscana in the Instant Pot. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit that like button. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.